In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect UPS to Shopify in our full 2024 guide. If you're ready to streamline your shipping process and offer your customers more reliable delivery options, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it and get your Shopify store connected with UPS step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu. Find and click on the Apps section. This is where you can connect various applications to expand the functionality of your store. When you're in the Apps section, you'll be able to either browse through available apps or search directly. Since we're connecting UPS, go ahead and utilize the search bar by typing in UPS. It should quickly bring up relevant search results. After your search is complete, you'll notice a few different options. What you want to do is find the specific UPS app, which should appear as a result. Go ahead and click on it so you can get a closer look and make sure it has the features you need. Once you've confirmed this is the app for you, you'll see the Install option. Click on Install to proceed. Now, Shopify might ask for confirmation to ensure that this is what you really want to do. Go ahead and click Install again. This double installation measure is just a way to confirm that you truly want to integrate this app with your store. Once installed, the next step is logging into your UPS account. This is an important step because you need to access your UPS account to manage shipping details and print the necessary shipping labels right from your Shopify dashboard. You'll use your existing UPS credentials here, so be sure you have that information ready on hand to smoothly proceed without any hitches. And there you have it. You've successfully connected UPS to your Shopify store. This integration will now allow your Shopify store to automatically calculate shipping rates, manage shipments, and track packages directly within your store's admin. Moreover, from here on, you can enjoy more streamlined shipping operations, thereby giving your customers a better online shopping experience with reliable shipping options available at checkout. If you've followed along with these instructions, you should now see UPS as an active shipping option within your Shopify settings. Congratulations on taking this significant step in enhancing your e-commerce capabilities. Feel free to explore the features of the UPS integration further to maximize its full potential. Don't forget to always stay updated with any new features or updates Shopify or UPS may offer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your online store for success.